on our way to Tuscany.
Yes.
Last day here in
And we're still
Rome.
waiting for
The cab. Here we are again in our breakfast place. Masarap yung breakfast dito. Tapos dyan lang yung apartment na Airbnb namin. We are ready. Groceries and our bags.
Hello, on our way to Pampanga.
And we are here in Tuscany. Dito na daw kami titira. Ito na yung house tour namin.
House tour?
House tour in Tuscany. Kaya pag wala kami teleserye dyan, ito kasi dito kami stay.
Yun yung boss namin, boss. Boss, good job, boss. Grabe pinagdaanan namin yan.
Hello, Tuscany! It's really quiet here. So guys, I'm waiting for John. Nagmotor kami papunta here in this restaurant in Tuscany. Sobrang ganda dito. And parang ang liit lang ng town nila and I love it. I'll show you. And the view. It's so romantic here. And I will miss waking up in this view. Good morning. May pimple tayo.
May mga
Good morning.
Buongiorno.
So this is the house. It's so quiet. Hello. You can like entertain guests here sa labas. Can plant some herbs and spices here. Ganda. I love it. And here, medyo na-surprise ako sa part na to. Look at that. Hi. Ang dami niyong mga tinanim. I love it. Wow, wow, wow. And this view. Wow. Let's go inside. I'm sure gusto niyo makita. Okay, so first, the kitchen. Yeah, where the magic happens. May CR, common toilet. Okay, my area, the fireplace, kitchen. It's another tambayan area here. Cute. And another room. And may room din dyan. Another room. Okay. So this part, there are 6 rooms here. We're occupying konting rooms lang. So there's our room. Sorry for the mess. Yan. High ceiling, no aircon because you don't need one. The toilet. Ang sarap!
Sarap, di ba?
Ang sarap! Okay.
Scrambled egg. Buti nakata ng bacon.
Oo.
Omelette.
Omelette niya, ito char. Specialty niya. And specialty ko, joke.
At saka syempre.
And syempre, rice. Diyos ko, wala ka for 14 days. Asan ka ba? for the dinner later. Okay guys, ito ang hindi ko na-vlog kanina. Garage. Ayan, si Kuya Jamie dumaan. Ito yung bahay. Grabe yung sky, napaka-blue. Ito, grabe no? Full tank pa yung kapon.
San Gimignano.
Pauwi na kami tomorrow. Kaya gelato as I can. To a church. Ang lungkot ko lang kasi nahulog tong phone ko at basag po siya. Buti na lang pauwi na tomorrow, so ayos ko siya. Sa haka-vlog, nahulog po. Ayun ako, natatawan na. Wala. Nothing that I can do. Hi! Hi! Look at the sky, isn't it neat? Good morning. On our way to Manila. Pasensya na at hindi kami nakapag vlog kasi na-busy kami sa tax refund. So yan, nandito na kami. That was our 14 days na vacation na kaming dalawa lang ng asawa ko. Basag pa ang cellphone ko. So there. Later I'll show you the lounge where we gonna stay.
Okay. Nakatulog ako. Pauwi na sa lounge ko.
Okay, 8 na. Dito na kami. Okay, waiting for our flight ng
To Doha.
Doha. Here we are. Ta-da! First row. We are on our way back to Manila. 14 days vacation. Yun lang, parang dumaan lang talaga. But what's important is we had fun with our friends. Si Ate Char and Kuya GB. They're such a foodie and sobrang they love to travel. Kaya sobrang lahat ng napupunta namin magaganda talaga. So and they know kung saan. Yes? May I help you? Tinawag ko ako. Yes. Okay, and travel recommend. Thank you. And sulit talaga kahit saan kami may signal. So there you have it guys. Hope you had fun and may natutunan kayo kahit paano sa short trip namin ni John and I and Ate Char and Kuya GB. Tapos na.
Tapos na.
Please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you and follow our other social media platforms. Bye guys! I hope you had fun. Ay, hi! Si Hobby, kausap si Samurai G. And we're in Doha. Doha to Manila.
Yeah.
I love our seats.